Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today we're taking a look at the 10 euro cents 2012 from France. This small coin is part of the euro cent series used across the European Union. The French 10-cent coin features the famous design called the sower, created by the French engraver Oscar Rarity. The design shows a woman sowing seeds, symbolizing the French Republic and the country's agricultural heritage. The 2012 issue was minted by the Monnaie de Paris, the official mint of France. Millions of these coins were produced, so most coins in circulation are worth only their face value of 10 euro cents. However, collectors look for coins in uncirculated condition, minting errors, or special varieties. In perfect condition, a 2012 French 10-cent coin could sell for 1 to 3 euros, and sometimes a bit more to collectors. So if you find one in excellent condition, it might be worth keeping for your collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. And stay tuned for more rare coin discoveries.